Japan is one of the largest insurance markets in the world. I've just spent the week visiting with our teams and our clients in Japan. In fact, the size of the Japan market is about 370 billion euros, so quite a large market, and about 80% of that is life insurance. So when we talk about some of the trends in the Japanese market, I'd like to talk about three areas. One is the environment, second is regulation, and the third is innovation. On the environment, the low interest rate environment has really impacted some of the business and the products, and we start to see a contracting of some of the savings types of products in the Japanese market. It's also driving quite a bit of M&A activity outside of Japan, mostly in the US and Australia, but in some other markets as well. Finally, on the environment, the aging population has really been a factor. In fact, by 2025, at the age 75 and higher, there will be about 50% more people in that age group than the age group of 65 to 74. So this aging population also really drives the thinking and the products offered in this environment. Second, on the regulatory front, it's highly impacted by some of the global compliance in global areas. We know that there's been discussions about solvency regulations, and while IFRS is not required in this market right now, certainly some Japanese insurers are talking about IFRS as it relates to their companies. The third area is around innovation. We see a lot of activity in the area of fintech and insurtech, and how that could actually impact the insurance companies as we think about alliances and partnerships with some of those startups. In the non-life space, of course, there's a lot of discussion about autonomous vehicles, electric vehicles, and what that might be doing to the insurance market. And finally, on the innovation front, digital is everywhere. The idea of digitization, digitizing the entire organization from front to back office is a big topic. So we see a lot of innovation around products and discussions and designs. Some interesting facts about the Japanese market. Drone insurance is compulsory. We see a lot of innovation around on-demand insurance. And certainly more and more innovation is occurring on the product side, although it's still very much an agency market. So I've really enjoyed my time in the Japanese insurance market. Thank you.